Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I would like to show to you the shortcut way to make a poster using CapCut without editing, without using any tools or editing time to use. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, you need to open your CapCut. Here on the CapCut, they already gave us AI to make, for example, AI shorts, text to image, and AI poster, AI model. That's four of it. And now, because we want to make a poster, we need to click the AI poster. And here, you just need to type a word of your poster, what kind of poster that you want to make. For example, I would like to type maybe a product of bottled coffees with limited edition and exotic flavor. And that's the way how to make it, and then click generate and then wait for a moment until the AI finishing make the poster for you. And now you can see the result. Wait for a moment. And now you can see the result. The AI will give us a view of design, and you just need to choose the design that you want to use. For example, I will try to use this one. And if you want to edit it, you can click edit this work by clicking this button down here. Click edit button, and okay, and you can adjust the text, for example, like that, or yeah, you can adjust everything that the AI make it for you. And that's the way how to make a poster using CapCut in a shortcut way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.